Good afternoon, this is Wag Chicago. Today is Friday. I think it's the 9th. And I just came out to get a package from the FedEx. And check this out. They're doing circles now that Richie from Boston had seen. They are doing them here. I got a new thing that goes around my neck. Hang on. Check this out. Goes up, hangs to the right. Look at that. And then merges with those right behind that tree there. And then this one, there's a lot of planes in the sky today too. Hang on, let me see if I can zoom in on this guy here. I don't know if you can see him. There is, oh, there's one right up there. Oh, hang on. He's making a fresh one to the right of there, down, over there. Where is it? There, that trail right there, going to the left. And then the plane is all the way at the edge of that tree, right in the middle of the screen. I'll leave it there for a second. So I don't know if there's a snowstorm coming or if they're doing something, but this is what it looks like usually 2-3 days before a big storm, like those ice storms they do. Hang on, let me try and back this up now. It won't back up. Oh, that's why that thing's on. All right. This sky, oh, here comes another one. This guy is horrific. Whatever this shit is. Right there, here comes one. Let's see him go. Yeah. Take a couple deep breaths. Because as you could see, clouds just evaporate, except these kind. These don't evaporate. Like that plane might be water. It might be, because look how short the tail is. That looks almost like a chemtrail. Cody, stay over here, a condensation trail. So that would be in the old days, and it probably is right now. That might be just a normal plane. But that, see, here's the difference in live time. Here's where you got to see right here. See that little one I was just watching right there? See how the trail is gone? That whole path is gone because it evaporated. See that? Real easy math. Water evaporates, right? These watering planes didn't evaporate. And now, in another half hour, these will be clouds. You see the difference? Anybody see this? Here, he's going to fly right into the curve. Hang on. This camera sucks. This new phone. And try to get the lighting right. So he's about to fly into the curve, which is still remnant there. You see the left turning curve right there that this plane's flying into. But how come his trail isn't staying a mile long? Cody, where are you? Cody, get over here. So, oh, there's the moon. Moon chasing the sun, that time of the month. This camera, is like my other ones, doesn't want to focus on it. So weird. Now, that plane just crossed the beam over there, but we still got these. These aren't dissipating like the plane we just watched. You just watched a real condensation trail disappear behind that plane right there. So why aren't these doing? Look how much fatter these are getting. And then look at the one on the left. You could tell they're coming out of different nozzles. You could see the different textures in the juice there. The one on the left has got that, it looks like a helix. And then the one on the far right is a solid line. Do you see it? And then the one in the middle is the puffy popcorn cloud. You're watching them create them right here in real time. And then we have the curve. But this is right above my head. Those aren't evaporating. Isn't that weird? Let's see what we got over here. What we got over here? Oh, another plane right up there. Hang on. There's a lot of planes up there today that aren't creating steam or smoke or whatever. I don't know if you can see this one. Hang on. There he is. See that one? No smoke coming out of that one, not even water. Okay, so that's a little weird, right? No steam out of that one. That must have a different engine, right? There's an X right here. See the X crisscrossing here? All right. Anybody see this yet? And then there's one over to the right. They haven't done this in a few weeks here like this, where they're making turns. Look at the turn. See the turn right there? They're going around. Look at all this. Here, there's another one. There's one with a trail. Hang on, a small one. Where is he? Where'd he go? Right there. So, some of them have trails, and out there you can see the clouds that are staying. All of this cloud was lines of an hour ago. See that line there? Right below it is spreading out. That one does not leave any trail behind it. The one that just went by didn't leave any behind it, but these are. That is so weird. And that's straight west. The sun's going to set right over there. It already is down below. You could see a curve over there too. Hang on. Now that I step further back, I don't know if you can see it in this light. Hang on. There, you can see right here, this plane went like this and made an L shape and curved out that way. Usually you don't see them making turns like this. Like that one there. You don't see them making turns like this. That's crazy. There you see the L, and it makes like an S and then goes off this way.